The cartoning machine was manufactured and delivered to the customer in just 7 days. Summer is coming, the market demand for mosquito repellent skyrocketed. The customer was very anxious, consulted many peers, and finally chose us. Reliable machine quality, competitive prices, strong production capacity make us stand out among our peers. Finally, from the time the customer signed the contract to the time the machine was commissioned and shipped, it only took us 7 days total. Production speed 50 boxes per minute. Mature box opening, box pushing and sealing structure, stable operation and efficient production. Simple and compact machine structure, good quality and low price. The best choice for your shift to automated production.